Hey class, welcome to the spiritual thought of the week. I hope everybody's enjoying this week. And so I just wanted to complete the uh, the PowerPoint that I did on the parable of the forgiving servant. Now that is one of the parables that talks a lot more about forgiving more than anything. It teaches about to forgive others what they have done. Now, as you know, in the parable of the unforgiving servant, um, there was a king that wanted to settle his financial accounts with one of his servants, and when he began to try to collect what he owed, he was owed 10,000 talents, and since that servant couldn't pay him, his master said, you're going to be sold. With his wife and children, and all that he had to make the payment. So the servant fell on his knees, begged, "Have patience with me. I will repay you everything." And then, of course, the master, having pity and having empathy and sympathy, forgave his debt and released him and forgave him. But the same servant went out and had another fellow servant who owed him, and he grabbed him, choked him, say, "Pay what you owe." So the fellow servant, he also got on his knees and begged and pleaded and said, "Have patience with me, I'll pay you." The servant that was owed the debt refused to forgive him and put him in prison. When the fellow servant saw what they had done, there was just greatly displeased and distressed, and they actually reported fellow servants reported to the master, and then the master summoned the servant and said, "You're wicked servant, I forgave you of all your debt, and why not should you not have mercy on the fellow servant?" And so the anger of the master put him in jail until he should pay the debt. And of course, this parable is really easy to understand since our Heavenly Father forgives us. Why can't we forgive others? Because we're commanded that we should forgive. I believe it's like 77 times more than we should forgive our brethren 77 times, and not keep count. In other words, but to always forgive. It's a very difficult subject to discuss, very difficult to forgive when someone's done us some very wrong, but I'd like to hear your thoughts about forgiveness. If you want to share a story, you don't have to. I don't want to violate privacy. If you want to share scripture, go right ahead. Fire away.